Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. This is an ultimate charging test between the Google Pixel 7 versus the Xiaomi 12T. Let's get into it. Let's take a quick look at the battery and the charging specs, starting with the Google Pixel 7. It does have a 4,355 mAh battery with support for 23-watt wire charging. The Xiaomi 12T does have a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 120-watt charging. With that out of the way, let's get into the main charging test. Now, starting off with the main charging test, we will be checking at each 15-minute interval. All fast charging has been enabled if the option is there, and all protective or adaptive charging and protect battery has been disabled for the best charging experience. Now we'll get into the first 15-minute interval and basically seeing where we are with both devices in terms of their charging percentage. And the Pixel 7 at the 15-minute mark is at 24% charge, while the Xiaomi 12T is at 71% charge. So huge difference between the two, where we have the battery percentage at the first 15 minutes. And we'll see that the first phone to actually finish, no surprise, is going to be the Xiaomi 12T, and that is at the 24 minutes and 18-second mark to 100%. Decent amount before the 30-minute mark. So yeah, this Xiaomi 12T is again one of the fastest phones I've experienced in terms of charging and testing on the channel so far. Next is the 30-minute mark, and the 30-minute mark for the Pixel 7, we do have a charge of 46%. 46% charge at the 30-minute mark. So we'll see the next interval is at 45 minutes. And at the 45-minute mark, the Pixel 7 right now is at 66% charge. So 66% charge at the 45-minute mark. And let's see what happens at the 60-minute mark. At the 60-minute mark, 1 hour, where would the Pixel 7 be in terms of the charging percentage? And at the 60-minute mark, it is at 80% charge. So at this 1 hour mark going beyond, you will see that it is going to start really trickle charging. And next interval is at 75 minutes, the 1 hour and 15-minute mark. And at the 1 hour and 15-minute mark, we do have a 90% charge. That's an additional 10% from before. And now we're going to be moving over to the 90-minute mark, 1 hour and 30 minutes, and seeing how close to 100% we are when it comes to the charge of the Pixel 7. And at the 90-minute mark, 1 hour, 30 minutes, it's at 96%, an additional 6% from before. So closing in on the finishing line, we will see that the Pixel 7 does finish charging to 100% at a time of 1 hour, 42 minutes, and 41 seconds to full charge. That is it with this ultimate charging test between the Google Pixel 7 versus the Xiaomi 12T. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.